Welcome back to our journey with TypeScript. In the previous class, we learned how to define structures and labels using interfaces and types. Today, let's continue with the same analogy on film studio production and delve into more complex topics. Now, let's look at this. In a film crew, some people take on multiple responsibilities. Someone might be both an actor and a stunt performer. That's where intersection come in. They combine multiple types into one, just like a multi-role crew member. But sometimes it's the opposite. A person is only one choice from several options. For example, an extra might be either a villager, a guard, or a shopkeeper, only one at a time. That's what union types represent. Together, intersections and unions help TypeScript model real life situations where roles either merge or vary. Let's dive in and understand how they work. So let's say I have my actor of type of actor, which will, let's say I have a function, he will act, which is of type void. Yes. Then I have my type as stunt performer, which will perform stunt, which is again of type void. Yeah. Now type stunt actor should do both. He should be an actor as well as a stunt performer. So let me define that. Stunt actor should be of, let me correct this. Stunt actor should be of type actor and stunt performer. Let me correct this. Yeah. So stunt actor is of type both. He should be an actor as well as a stunt performer. Let's say now I'll define one person. He's of type stunt actor. Constant person is of type stunt actor. And let me define this thing. My act function. He will do. He will deliver some dialogue. Yeah. And my stunt actor should perform some stunts. So he will also perform stunt. Let's say he does a backflip. So I'll do does a backflip. Yeah. So this person who is a stunt actor has to do both. So what an actor does, that is act. So here he is delivering a dialogue. And what a stunt performer does. So that is perform stunt. So here he is doing a backflip. But not all roles are combinations. Sometimes a role is either an actor or a stunt performer, not both. So that will bring us to the next concept in TypeScript.
Uh, Intersection seems to be a little confusing because it handles multiple properties, right? So, what kind of practices should be taken in place so that, there won't be any errors, or what are the ideal practices while using this concept?
Yeah. So I'll explain with this example only. So let's say I defined my type as actor. Now I know my actor is the person who will act in the movie. My stunt performer, I know, is a person who will perform the stunt. So intersection, I have to make sure is a person who will do both, who will act as well as perform stunt. But now let's say there is a person who is just acting. So we have many extras also in the movie who are just acting, but they are not performing any stunt. So in those cases, we can't use the intersection. We will define that person to be of type actor only. So he will just act. Or there are many stunt doubles also who don't act, but they just perform the stunt in the movie. So those will be of type stunt performer, but they won't be of type actor since they're not acting in the movie. So we have to make sure that for the person that we are using stunt actor should satisfy both these conditions, should act also and also do this thing, perform the stunts. So let's move ahead. So like I mentioned, that many roles don't perform both of these. So, like there are many extras in the film who just act, but they don't perform any stunts. Or there are stunt doubles also who just perform the stunt, but they don't act in the movie. So now how do we handle that? Those are handled by unions actually. So that is one role from many. So let's look at union over here. So let's say I have a type named as extra. So let me define the type, which is an extra in the movie. That will be of type. Role will be, let's say, a villager. Say a role. Yeah, let's use this. I've defined my extras over here. That is, either they play a role of a villager or of a soldier or of a merchant over here. Now let me also define a variable as e, that is of type extra, and I will define the role as soldier. Yeah, soldier. Yeah. So now over here, what I'm doing is I've defined extra roles over here from these types. So either villager, soldier, and merchant. And this particular extra that I've defined with E, this variable is of type soldier. So over here, this person will depict the role of a soldier in the movie. So union is a choice, just like casting an extra for a scene.
So it looks like the unions and sets that you have explained, like the intersection and the union that you have explained, similarly exist in mathematics set theory, right? Like, like unions is nothing but, let's say there are two sets, set A and set B. Union of both the sets is set A or set B. Similarly, for intersection, it's an AND condition. So
Yeah,
that's how it is, it's a replica of that.
correct, correct. You explained it really well. So union is either like A or B, but intersection is whatever is common between A and B.